Hi, this is Warren from XL Employee Leave Tracker, and today I'm going to show you how to automate daily data entry using insert tables, data validation, and the Xlookup function with the Iferror function. If you like these types of videos, please click on the thumbs up icon and subscribe. So we're going to first start with our source data, which consists of the name of the employee, their base of operation, job title, and salary. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight all the cells that contain data. We're going to go to Insert, Tables. We're also going to ensure that the My Table Has header has a check mark next to it and click OK. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our source, or excuse me, our data input range. So here we want to highlight the rows that are underneath the names. We're then going to go to data, data validation again. In the allow field, we're going to change that to list. For source, we're going to click on the up button or arrow, and we're going to hover our mouse right above name, and that will automatically highlight all the names in that row. Excuse me, in that column. We're going to click the enter button and then OK. And what you will find is all the rows that we highlighted will have drop-down menus that consist of all the employees' names. So let's go back to the top and move over to the next column. In the next column, this is where we're going to enter our formula. So the formula will consist of equal if error, open parentheses, Xlookup, open parentheses again. We're then going to reference the name cell, comma, go back to our source data, and if we hover our mouse over the first column and click with the left click mouse button, it will automatically highlight all the names in that column. We're then going to hit or enter the comma, and since we're looking for base of operation in our source data, we're going to go to that column, left click with the mouse, and ensure all the base of operation are highlighted. Close parentheses, comma, double quote, end double quote, and then close parentheses again. What that double quote and close double quote means is that if the formula returns an error, we will only show nothing in that cell. So, as it stands right now, if we use Oliver Quinn, Star City will appear because if we go to the source data, Star City is the base of operation for Oliver Quinn. We're then going to do the same for job title. Equals if error, open parentheses, Xlookup, open parentheses again. We're going to reference the name, comma, go back to our source data, make sure that the mouse is hovering over the name, and we should see that little down arrow appearing. Left mouse click, comma. We're going to go over to job title. Ensure that the mouse turns into a down black arrow. Left mouse click, close parentheses, comma, double quote, end double quote, close parentheses, and enter. And you'll see that the CEO shows up for Oliver Quinn. Let's do it one more time for salary. Equals Iferror, open parentheses, Xlookup, open parentheses. We're going to reference Oliver Quinn, which is in P3, comma, go back to the source data. Make sure the mouse is hovering over the name. Left mouse click, comma, salary. Put the mouse right above salary. We'll see the down black arrow. Left mouse click, close parentheses, comma, double quote, end double quote, and then close parentheses again, and then hit enter. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to create a table for this. So we're going to highlight the cell headers and the first row that we've created. Go to Insert, Tables, ensure that the My Table has header has a check marks to it. Click OK. And now we have a table. And if we go and click on Lex Luthor, now all of the formulas that we had in the top row will be copied to the row that we are using. So now, instead of going back and forth to find Lex Luthor information, all we had to do was just pull in Lex Luthor and his information appears. The same could be said for any of the other names. So if we click on Richie Rich, his information automatically appears. Hopefully you find this useful and helpful in your day-to-day data entry. If you like this, please leave a comment and hope to see you soon next time.